Satya, you can see that this is what we have. You can see how clean it is and how well it is going in growth. So the reason for this is that it is like you get a small little bit. In this, you spray in it and it will be good, it will be ready, you will get to see a very good rate. If there is a stain on it, then no one will buy it in the market and someone will buy it in the house too. Otherwise, the reason for this is that we gave water to it from time to time. It has been spraying for more time. So you also have it. If you do not know which spray to do, then you can go to my channel and see that there I have made a video in detail and there you will get more information and which spray you guys will spray. I have told you that too, so you can go and see.